Thanks for watching Anxious Auto Maintenance with Mike. Today, Mike's going to change the cabin air filter on a 2009 Pontiac Vibe.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching my latest series, Anxious Auto Maintenance. I'm Mike, and I know next to nothing about cars. But I've learned one thing: if you watch enough YouTube videos, you could do whatever you want. And my motto is, if you can do it, I can do it, and so can you. Let's waste no time changing out this cabin air filter, because at any moment, a part of a satellite could fall out of the sky and kill me instantly. We are now inside my Pontiac Vibe, which is also a Toyota Matrix for reasons I don't understand, and that also frightens me as to why they're the same car with different. Anyhow, one day I was driving using the heat, and I smelled the odor of dirty, rotten feet, and I thought that was due to one of two things. Either it was because I needed to change the cabin air filter, or because I was driving through East Dayton. But here you can, you need to access it behind the glove compartment. So by deploying that latch, you can get to your glove compartment. But you need to also loosen this thing right here. That thing. And I don't know, this was supposed to be a screw. The videos I watched, this was a screw, and that does not, that's made of plastic, and if I break this, I could totally, no, that doesn't seem, hold on, I gotta watch more YouTube videos.
You take off these, you pull it this way.
Oh, I love her accent, she is cute.
Okay, so that one is done.
Alright, I just watched some videos, and like the cute Latino lady kind of made me feel like this is a peg. It's not really a, you just got to pull this thing out. So you kind of go, really, I feel like I'm gonna, like if I catch my finger in this, I could cut myself. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, see the separation there? Wait, what's going on? I zoomed it. Oh my goodness. Okay, see, I just did it. Okay, see that separation there? Now you can like push in. So you kind of got to push here, and then push here. There, that one's out, and that one's out, and there you go. We have now got. Oh man, I hope that. God, that better go back on. And here we are. So this is where you can access the. Oh boy. I gotta tell you that I saw a video where there was like a mouse's nest in here, and when I was growing up, we had mice in my house, and they were scratching all night long. And to this day, I have dreams that they're like jumping up on me and like biting me, always out of my neck. Okay, there we go. That is the cabin air filter, and we are, oh my, oh God, look at all that. Just look at all that dirt that the last time I changed this was I never changed this, and so all these particles have been, maybe now I gotta wonder if they're lodged in my lung and gonna give me cancer. And now it's time for the new filter. I'm covering up a little bit of this package because it has my address on it, but the fine folks at F1 Auto Filters, hold on, there's a tracking number, and you could maybe scan that and find out where I live. Okay, and now it's time for the new auto filter from the fine folks at F1 Auto Filters in Chino, California, who sell on eBay. By the way, if you're an owner of this car, it's a Fram CF10285 or a Pennzoil PC83. And now we're just going to go put this. It's really hard to hold my camera. Look at how clean that is. Clean. And by the way, there is an up arrow, which means that I assume that's the way it goes up. And so we're going to just go put it back in. So we're going to stick that in there. It doesn't fit. Maybe it goes the other way. It didn't fit good. Oh my God, what if it doesn't fit? And I gotta, oh my, what the, it doesn't really fit perfectly, but I am gonna put it in anyway. It clips in, and I hope it's not too compressed in there. There's a little thing that says up, and I just hope it doesn't catch on fire. Now we're just gonna go backwards and hope this engage. Oh wow, that was easy. That engaged pretty well. Damn it, I zoomed the whole time. Okay, and now we're just gonna, this is really hard to, you're gonna push that little thing, push that guy right back on. Yeah. Good. And we're done. Thanks again for watching our episode of Anxious Auto Maintenance. And remember, if you can do it, I can do it, and so can you. Satellite.